Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create my Craigslist's account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type craigslist.org and hit on enter right now. This right here is the official homepage of Craigslist. Well, right now, we only want to create an account. At the top right in the navbar, next to this post icon, you will see something like account. Click on the button right here and it's gonna show up something like this. Well, you can log in from right here. You can log in from your email or simply into your email address, handle and password. But right now, we only want to create an account. So simply enter your email address right here. I'm gonna enter it right now. And as you can see, I have entered it. Now once you've done that, hit on this create account button right here. Now it says a link to activate our account has been emailed to the just registered email address. I'm gonna go to that link right now. Well, right here as you can see, I have received an email like this. Well, it simply says to create your Craigslist account, complete account sign up. Click on this button right here. Now something like this will open up. It's gonna ask you to either continue without a password or simply set a password. Well, it's up to you on whichever option you want, but I always prefer a password to make sure my account is secure. I'm gonna enter my password right now. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the set password button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we create your My Craigslist account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.